Students of class 3rd, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. In this video, today we are going to learn MSW logo. In MSW logo, we will learn how to move object, that is turtle, using R command. We will give command in MSW logo. According to our command, object will move. Fine. To start MSW logo, what you need to do, first you have to download and install this MSW logo software. To download this software, what you need to do, first open any browser and search MSW logo download. Fine. As you search MSW logo download, you will see first option over here, download MSW logo free latest version. So just click over here, you will see a file. See, download MSW logo for PC, and you will see a green box over here, free download for PC, Windows. You need to click on this green box and your software will be downloaded in your computer, and you will see this software, that file will appear over here. Fine. When you see this file MSW logo 65.exe, you need to double click on this file to install this software in your computer. After installing this software in your computer, you are able to open this software. If you want to open this software, you will see the icon of this software, MSW logo software, in your desktop screen. So what you need to do, double click on the screen, you will see a message, click on OK. Now you will see MSW logo in your screen. There are some parts of this MSW logo. This is the first part, where this object, that is turtle, this triangle you can see, it is the turtle. This turtle will move in this window. Fine. And we will put command in command box, this called input box. When we will give command in this input box, this command will store in command window. How this will happen, you will see. In today's video we will learn three commands, that is FD, LT and RT. In this video we will learn how to move this turtle, how to change direction of the turtle. These two things we will learn: how to move this turtle ahead and how we can change the direction. Fine. First we will learn this first command, that is FD. We will use this command FD. We will write this command in input box, FD, and you need to give space. After giving space, you need to tell the computer how many points, how many steps you want to move forward this turtle. So I will write 30, means we need to move this turtle 30 steps or 30 points, and just press enter. As you can see, turtle has moved 30 steps forward, and you can see a line over there which has been drawn by turtle. Again, use this command FD40, FD space 4040. Now enter, or you can do click on execute button. As you can see, turtle is moving. Fine. Now I want to change the direction of this turtle, so I will choose command, that is LT. LT means left turn, RT means right turn. if you want to move your turtle left side, if you want to change direction of your turtle towards left side, you need to give command LT. If you want to change the direction of your turtle towards right side, you need to give command that is RT. So first I will give command that is LT space 90. You need to write specifically 90, then enter. As you can see, the turtle direction has been changed. Now it is looking forward toward left direction. Now from here I want to move this turtle move forward, so again I will give command FD 60. Turtle has moved in forward direction. Now I want to give command to turtle so that it can change direction. So I want this turtle to change its direction towards right side, so I will give command RT space 90 and enter. As you can see, the turtle has changed its direction. Now it is moved towards right direction. Fine. Now I want to move this turtle forward, so again I will give FD command FD space 40. As you can see, it is moving upwards. Fine. So using all these three commands, I can move turtle. With FD command I can move this turtle forward. With LT command I can turn the turtle left direction. With RT command we can turn the turtle right direction. Fine. So students, if you have computer at your home, do practice. How you can do practice? First of all, you need to download MSW Logo software in your computer, then install this software in your computer and open this software and use these three commands. Watch this video 2-3 times, use this command, and you can move your turtle according to this. Fine. So do practice. Thank you very much.